Hey dancers, let's talk about your costumes today for your dance classes, 2 for your Instagram shoots and 3 for your dance workshops. For dance classes, comfort is the key. Choose for breathable fabrics that will allow you freestyle movements to the maximum extent so that you can explore your body ranges, your personality, your style when it comes to dancing. You can also choose for bold patterns and colors which will give you more confidence when on the dance floor. For second, that is your Instagram shoots, you can kind of experiment with patterns, bold colors, which will kind of give you a style statement when you're dancing, because Instagram is all about style and your personality, and it's going to capture your audience's attention as well. Don't shy away from accessorizing when it comes to making Instagram reels. They are the key. Of course, confidence is the best accessory. And for 3, that is your dance workshops, you can carry 2 costumes. One is when you want to practice the dance which is going to be taught into your workshops, and 2 that you want to make a shoot in. But also make sure that the costume that you carry for your shoot does not distract you from your dance itself. It should not be very tight, very clingy. That does not allow you to do your dance movements to the maximum possible extent. So now you have my 3 tips about your dance costumes for various events that you can do, and follow me for more such tips.